And when you get the new clocks, the daddy.
Brother, if you want, just check set. Me no like crep, 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 crep. Me no like crep, me no clocks, no crep. Clocks to the summer, clocks to the winter. Clocks to the sun, clocks to the water.
That's how we do it at St. Mary.
Oh, in case you never know, Mary like by your TV show. And then we'll put down the head to it now. We can go in and have to win matter. Feeling matter.
She's a finish in a white t-shirt.
We did it. We rock them shit.
We rock them shit, how we ravens, ravens,
Ravens.
ravens,
Ravens.
ravens. From day one, ravens, ravens,
Ravens.
ravens,
Ravens.
ravens. From day one, straight jeans and finished in a white
We
t-shirt.
did it. We rock them shit to the limit. High school all over. That's how we did at St. Mary. High. Easy.
Well, St. Mary, I'm very impressed. I really like the transitions, particularly that last one into ravers, the glasses and stuff. It was really, really nice. Love the tone. There are some points where there was, for me, a little clarity issue, especially when the Kings were DJing. Some of it I couldn't hear, but generally I really, really enjoyed the performance. I really love how you take the dancehall and add the blend of melody and sweetness to it. So great, great job. And I'll be going on to get my, you say no like crepe, right? No crepe? Somebody show me that move, please. Because I can't dance enough. I have to go with one dance. That's show us something here. Very, very good. Thank you. All right.
Right. All right, St. Mary High, this is an example of a choir that came into the first round, and we hardly even paid much attention to them. And they improved and improved, and now they are in the top 6. Can you believe it? All right. For this particular song, though, I thought that you needed to articulate some more because it's a lot of words. You have to move him out more so that we hear exactly what you're saying. And I thought overall, melodically, it was kind of in the same place. But the dancing was beautiful, and you carried off the song. Your expression of the song was very good. I would say left, right, St. Mary High is here.